1 lump or 2?
3.
Okie dokie, Dick. 1, 2, 3,
4.
Okay, 4. 1 lump or 2?
Lumps of what?
Sugar.
Lumps of sugar?
Of course. Tea parties always serve sugar in lumps. Now, 1 lump or 2?
One. No, 2. 3.
No! Uh-oh.
RTÉ didn't mean it, Ray.
I know.
Sunshine Ray, you okay?
Not feeling super sunshiny right now.
Sorry, Ray. How about I go and see if I have another teacup for you somewhere inside? It's a good excuse for me to finally organise the kitchen cupboards.
Thanks, Ma.
Chin up, bub.
Clean breaks, no sharp edges. Ray, I don't think this cup is a lost cause. Be right back.
My dad says duct tape can fix anything.
Your dad is a duck that fixes things.
No, not a quack duck. It's a super strong and sticky kind of tape.
Mr. Ryan, do you have any duct tape?
Always.
I want to do it. No, me.
We can all do it. I think we need more. Declan, can you hand me the tape?
Help